Alright, so in this video I'm going to start talking about the advanced strategy, which is tracking your affiliate marketing campaigns. Now, every affiliate marketer that makes millions is using a third-party tracking platform in order to track their campaigns, and therefore they can optimize their campaigns. Now, if you don't have the ability to track how many people come to this page, how many people click through the actual link so that you can tell whether or not you're getting a good click-through rate, or if you're not testing variations of this landing page, then you are in fact not doing it properly, and you are not going to succeed at affiliate marketing or online marketing in general. Every single online marketing campaign is built around optimization. So you must track, you must know who is coming to this page, where they came from, what ads are working, who is clicking through, where they're clicking through, and how many people are actually converting. And in order to do that, you must use a third-party tracking platform. This is not your network tracking from Clickbank or whatever CPA network you're using or whatever affiliate network. This is a third-party tracking platform, and the one I'm going to use in this video is actually called Bmob, and this is the inside of Bmob.com. It is a free solution for people looking to just start with tracking, and it actually offers a premium service as well. And it's very similar to Volume, which is a different tracking platform. All the same features pretty much as what you see in here. And I'm going to set it up and show you how to track this campaign properly. Whether you're using Clickbank or any other network, it's pretty much the similar setup. Now, there's also CPV Lab, which I use a lot, and in some of the training sessions I do, case studies and webinars, I also use that. So let's just get started in setting this up for Clickbank, because there's a few added steps, and there's actually a good blog post on their website at Bemob that kind of explains the whole process, and I'm just going to drag it over here so you can see. But as you can see, they give you pretty much the step-by-step on how to set up conversion tracking with Clickbank using Bmob. So all of the information is here, but I'm going to go through it in this video so that we can do it quickly, so that we can start tracking our campaign. And then in the next video, we'll start getting some traffic to this campaign, and we'll actually start seeing statistics in here for the campaign we're going to run, and we'll be able to see which pages are getting the best click-through rates, and we'll test a couple variations so you can see what data we're looking at and how we're going to actually profit from this campaign. So let's do that right now. So the first step is I need to go into settings and then find the tracking URLs. So right over here, I'm going to click tracking URLs. And if I scroll down, you're going to see the Clickbank integration right here. So you're going to have the secret key and the instant notification URL. We're going to need both of these. So the first one we're going to do is the secret key. I'm going to copy that. And now we're going to go into the Clickbank account and set this up. So let's go into Clickbank. And let me just go to the settings here. We're going to go to vendor settings. So here are the advanced tools, and I'm going to click on edit. And now I'm going to enter the secret key that I just copied. So I'm going to paste that there. And I'm just going to save that. So now I should see that there, okay? And now I'll go back into Bmob, and I'm going to grab the instant notification URL right here. So I'm going to copy this. So another good thing about Bmob is that you don't need to set this up on your server at first. So I use CPV Lab, and I have to set it up on my server and create a domain and stuff like that. But if you're just new and you just want to get this set up quickly, then you can use the domain that they assign to your account, which is pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to come back in here, and I'm going to edit that again in the advanced tools. I'm just going to click edit again on Clickbank here. I'm going to enter the instant notification URL. So I'm just going to put that here, paste that there, and then hit test. Test. There we go. And it's verified, so now I'm going to save the changes again. And it should give you an error message if it's not introduced correctly, but that one did work. It was verified, so it's all good to go now. So now what we want to do is we want to go into Bmob and set up Clickbank as a network. So let's go back into the home settings of here, and in here you can set up landing pages, offers, flows, traffic sources, all these kind of things. But what we want to do right now is just set up Clickbank here. So I've got Vault Media already set up because I've been doing some sample campaigns for training purposes in here, but I'm going to add Clickbank now as well. So Vault Media Network is actually the private network from Powerhouse Affiliate. It's a private CPA affiliate network, which you can get access to if you are a Powerhouse Affiliate Premium member. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to click New from Template right here. And we are going to pick, as you can see, there's a lot of networks on here, but we're going to find Clickbank on here. So it already has the template available for us. So now we just have to come in here and look at the settings. Now there's nothing you really need to change here. So just click Save. And now, as you can see, we have Clickbank added in here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the offer link from the Clickbank account for Powerhouse Affiliate like we did before, but this time we're going to add it into the network here so that we can add the correct parameters at the end of the link, and I'm going to do that right now for you. So back into the affiliate marketing marketplace, which is right up here at the top of your account. Again, search Powerhouse Affiliate, and we can find the link right here. We click on Promote, and we make sure our account nickname is added here, and we generate the hop link, and we click the copy button, and let's go back to Bmob. So now what we want to do is we want to add the offer. Okay, so we're going to click Add Offers. Okay, so now that we're in here, we can enter the offer details. So I'm going to put in Powerhouse Affiliate Clickbank offer. And you can leave the country as global, and affiliate network, let's make sure we choose Clickbank. And for the URL, we're going to paste the URL, but we also have to add a little bit of information on here. So we want to do $TID equals squiggly bracket click, capital I for ID, and then capital LONG and squiggly bracket. So it's the affiliate link $TID equals with the click ID long inside the brackets here, and we simply save this. So this is exactly what we have now. We have global Powerhouse Affiliate Clickbank offer. If you click on it and you click edit, you'll see the settings right here for this offer, and that offer is now ready to be tracked. And every time there's a conversion on this offer, Clickbank is going to send back this click ID back into Bmob for us, and it's going to track a conversion inside of this platform. So we'll be able to see which landing pages, once we set up landing pages, which ones are converting. So that is what we're going to do now. Let's just set up the landing page. So let's go to landings, and we're going to add a new landing page, and the name of this one we're going to call Affiliate Marketing Game LP1. So this is the first landing page we're going to test, and this is actually just this link, affiliatemarketinggame.com, because this is the landing page we set up. But remember, we need to change something on here, and I'm going to show you in a second what we need to change. So let's put that link in there. So we have the affiliatemarketinggame.com as our first link, and let's save that. So there's that one. Now what we want to do is we want to split test the landing page. So we're going to add another landing page, and we're going to call it Affiliate Marketing Game LP2, and then we're going to set up our campaign. So there's a really easy way to do this. And let's go back into the dashboard inside WordPress right here. And we're going to duplicate this page, and we're going to change the headline so we can test the headline. So to do that, let's go into Pages, All Pages. And we're going to see the page we created earlier, which is this one, the front page. And let's just click Clone Page. And this is a really simple way to start split testing landing pages, so that you just kind of split test various aspects of your page to see which one converts better. So let's just change the title here. Affiliate Marketing and Game. And as you can see, it's already created the URL Affiliate Game 2 for us, so that's pretty good. We can just update that to save the title and the URL. And then we'll click on Live Editor, and I'm just going to do a quick example here. I'm not going to change too much on the page for now. I'm just going to change this headline. So let's just go in here, click edit, and change this headline to something different, okay? So let's change this to learn how one affiliate marketer built a campaign that made $2,070,000 in commissions. So this is just an example. You can change that to whatever you want, but we're just testing it out here. So you can click save and continue. So now we have that as our second page, and make sure publish was select here. So now if you view public link, here's the second page. So now as you can see, I have this page as well as the other page, which was affiliatemarketinggame.com. Let's just make sure. So you can see when I switch between the two pages, there's two different headlines. So we're basically just testing the headlines right now. But you can test many aspects of this page. You can take out sections, you can change the wording, whatever you want to do. Let's go back into Bmob now, and let's add that second page to this. So a new page, and we're going to call it Affiliate Marketing Game LP2. And we're going to put that URL, which is right there, and we're going to save that as well. So now we have two landing pages here. We have the offer set up, we have the network set up. So now all we need to do is we need to set up the campaign quickly and switch the links on our landing pages to make sure we're using Bmob track. You actually don't need any PHP code or anything like that on your landing pages. You just need to get your tracking URLs from inside Bmob and put those onto your landing pages. So to do that, just come over to settings, and over here you'll see the click URL. This is the link that you want to use on your landing pages for tracking through this platform. So we're going to change the Clickbank links now to this, because we're going to be setting up our ads using the Clickbank campaign settings here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this click URL and copy it. So what I would suggest here, just to make sure you understand what's happening here, is the affiliatemarketinggame.com is your main website. And you might want to leave your links on this .com as the Clickbank offer links, because if people do come to your website and they're not coming from your ads or your traffic sources, then you may not get the click here through to the offer, because it's going to say no cookie is stored. So I would usually leave my .com as just the regular offer link from the affiliate network, just to keep it on the front page, or you could turn this into a blog or whatever else. But for that matter, what we're going to do here is we're actually just going to clone this page again and call it the first version of this page. So let me just go back and show you what I mean here. So I'm going to go to all pages, and this one here, the affiliate game front page, I'm going to clone it again, just so that we're leaving this one untouched, and we're going to have two variations of the page that we can test through a Bmob campaign. So again, I'm just going to change the name here to Affiliate Marketing Game. And I'm going to change this. Actually, I'm going to leave that as Affiliate Game. Actually, I'm going to change it, sorry, to Affiliate Game 1, because we haven't used that domain yet. So this is going to be version 1, and the other one will be version 2. And I'm just going to update that for now so that it's saved. And now inside Bmob, what I want to do is I just want to make sure I go back and edit that setting for that landing page. So let's go back in, and I know this is an extra step, but it's good that you watch it so that you understand how this platform works. Sorry, so I'm going to edit this page, and I just want to change this to affiliatemarketinggame.com, and we're going to use the -1, which is this page here. So I'm going to copy that URL, and we'll put that here instead. So that's LP1, and we're going to leave the .com untouched. So now we have these two pages. So now let's go into each of these pages and update the links with that link that we got right over here, and let's put this as the outbound link on all of the calls to action to click out, so that we can make sure that it's all tracked through Bmob. So to do that, go back into the pages, all pages, and close a couple of these extra ones, and we want to edit these two pages. So I'll just do one for now and show you how it's done. So if you come into the live editor you want to open page, we can do actually both at this. We can actually do both at the same time, so you can have both of these going, and we can just edit each link. So coming down, you would find the links out, and let's just add in and edit this to our Bmob tracking link right here, and we can say insert. So we're going to do that with all of the links on both pages. And now every time we clone the page, these links will already be in there. So we only have to really do this once, and so that we can save time in the future, we'll clone pages and test them and tweak them. And if you even want to just save one of these as a template, now you can use it for all of your Bmob campaigns and just kind of edit the landing page to whatever type of offer you're running if you're running Clickbank. Now this is kind of the same setup for every network almost. If you go through and do the and you choose the templates from the network templates, they're pretty much all the same. So I'm just going to go through and do this quickly, and then we'll set up the campaign. Okay, so the last step now will be to set up our campaigns, but in order to do that, Bmob uses what are called flows. So we need to create a flow where we send people to both of our landing pages. So we're going to be essentially split testing our landing pages. So we're going to set that up as a flow. So to do that, we're going to click a new flow, and we can name it whatever we want. I'll just call it Powerhouse Affiliate LP Testing. Okay, we can leave that country as global. So for path 1, we can leave this at 100%. You can set up multiple paths too under this same path, but we're just going to leave this as is, and we're going to add a landing page here, and we're going to choose LP1 as the landing page. Now we can set this as 50, and then if we add another landing page, we can set this also as 50. And so what we're doing is we're splitting both at 50%. Now if you find one landing page is performing better in your data, you can come back here and change the percentage. Or if you have a good landing page that's doing really well, you might want to set it at 90% and start split testing other pages at 10% here. But this is how you would do it. You would just come in and edit that flow so you can keep finding it. So what we also need to do is add the offer here into this flow so that both of these landing pages are going to link to this offer. And we're going to add offer, and it's going to be the Powerhouse Affiliate Clickbank offer that we've already set up. So let's save and close. And so now what we're going to do is we are going to also add in the traffic source that we're going to use for this. We're not going to use YouTube. So if you want to add in a traffic source, you can do that by just going here. We're going to use Bing ads, and I'm going to do a sample campaign with this actual link. So I'm not going to put a postback URL or anything here right now, but I can come back and do stuff like that if I wanted on each traffic source. But I'm just going to save that for now because we're going to get all the data in here and track our conversions through the Clickbank setup that we've already done. So there's Bing ads. So now last step, campaigns, new campaign. What we're going to do is we're going to call this Powerhouse Affiliate Bing. We're going to choose the traffic source that we just added, which is Bing ads. We're going to leave it as global. Everything else here we're going to leave the same. Here we're going to check the flow, and we're going to check this one here that we just made, which was the Powerhouse Affiliate LP testing flow. And as you can see, it has both the landing pages and then the one offer. And you can add more offers if you wanted later, but let's just save that. And boom, here we are. We are ready for traffic for this link. So if I take this campaign URL and copy it, this is the exact link I want to use inside Bing ads so that I can track everything that's coming through. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that, and we're going to go over to Bing ads and set up some ads. Now if we want to track the ads themselves and the keywords, then we can add a couple things to this link to make sure we get that data inside Bmob. So to do that, let's just go back into that Bing setting, and let's add a couple variables that can make sure we get that data. So let's edit, and right in here, as you can see, we can add variables. So this one we're going to call it keyword, and we will put keyword here. and we'll call it keyword. And we also want to get the ad ID, so we can put that here, ad ID, and in here we would put ad ID as well, and you can put ad ID. There's other things you can collect here. If you're interested, you can do ad groups. You just go to Google and search the parameters you can use for Bing ads, and you can start populating all these. But these are enough for now, just to get the general idea as to what's happening. And now when I click campaign links for Bing ads, it should have those parameters added. As you can see here, it's added keyword equals keyword and ad ID equals ad ID. So these will actually come from Bing when I set up that campaign. So in the next video, we're going to talk about setting up a Bing ads campaign and using this campaign link that we've set up through Bmob. It's a very straightforward video on how to get traffic through search traffic. There are multiple ways to get traffic, and we're going to talk about that in the next video. Thank you for watching, and you are ready to go with Bemob and Clickbank on this one. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.